Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subtopic 4.3 is about exponential and logarithmic equation. So this subtopic, your aim is to solve. So question will ask you to solve the equation of exponent and also log. Okay, look at the first part, which is we cover the exponential equations first. So we are going to see the example case by case. So for the first case, when you have the equal base, for example, let's say you have a power of n equal to a power of n. So when you have the equal base, you can just comparing the power, which is you can have m is equal to n. Example, let's say you have the question of solve 2 power of x plus 1 equal to 4. So 4 here, you can write in the form of 2 squared. So if you see here, you have the equal base, left side and also right hand side. So you can just comparing the power, which is x plus 1 is equivalent to 2. So simplify this linear equation. 1 bring to the other side, so x is equal to 1. Second example, solve 3 power of 5x minus 8 equal to 9 power of x plus 2. So 9 here, you can also write in the form of 3 power of 2. So you can have the same base right now. Then just compare the power. 5x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 4. So this linear equation solve. 3x is equal to 4 plus 8, which is 12. Then x is 4. Okay, settle the first case. Second case or the second pattern, when you cannot have the equal base. So the base is not equal. So you can just add log or ln both sides. For example, let's say you have a power of m equal to b power of n. So you don't have the equal base here. So you just add log. Left side 1 log, the right side also 1 log. Okay. Example, let's say you have this one. Solve 3 power of x equal to 21. So 21 here, you cannot write in the form of 3 power of something. Because 3 power of 2 is 9, 3 power of 3 is 27. So you cannot have the same base, left side and right side. So what can you do is, just add log both sides. So you have log 3 power of x equal to log 21. So x here, you can bring to the front, use the properties of log. Then you have x log 3 equal to log 21. So x here, bring 3 to the other side. So just write your answer is in the form of log. Log 21 over by log 3. Or you can have also, the last answer is log with the base of 3, 21. Meaning that you just changing the base. Changing the exponential form to the log form. This is your x value, where your x is equal to log base 3, 21. The answer is the same. When you press your calculator, answer in decimal places is the same. Okay? The next one, let's say you have example number 4. Solve 5 power of 2x plus 1 equal to 6 power of x minus 2. So you can see here, you cannot have the same base, 5 and also 6. So just add log both sides. And then the power, just bring in front. Use the properties of log. So 2x plus 1 log 5 is equal to x minus 2 log 6. And then what can you do is, this one inside the bracket power, times log 5. So you can expand this one. Expand term by term. 2x times log 5. And then 1 times log 5 also. Then you have 2x log 5 plus log 5 is equal to, same goes to here, x times log 6 and 2 times log 6. Then you have x log 6 minus 2 log 6. Remember, your aim is to solve. Solve means you want to have x only one side. So just bring x one side. This is x, this is x. Meaning that x log 6 then you bring to the other side. So the constant log 5 to bring to your right hand side. Okay, so right now if you look at this line, you have log something minus log something. This one, negative log something minus log something. So apply the properties of log also. Minus, the argument will divide. So you have log 5 minus log 6. Just factor out that x first outside. So you have 5 squared over by 6. Okay, 5 squared over by 6. And then the right hand side, just have the bracket first. Because this one, if you put the bracket, this one will become plus operation. So plus apply law 1 or properties number 1 says that what happened to this argument? The argument will become multiplication of these two number. 6 squared times 5 squared. When you apply law 1 or properties number 1. Okay, so right now you have x only. So leave x one side. These things bring to the other side. And then you have log 6 squared, which is 36 times 5 is 180. Over by log 5 squared is 25 over by 6. Okay. Then, okay, this is the last pattern or the last case. Where if you have the negative power, you can have the quadratic pattern and solve. Okay. So example of this case, look at this question. Solve 5 power x plus 5 times 5 power of negative x over by 2 equal to 3. So to avoid dealing with the fraction, you can bring 2 to the other side. So the right side becomes 6. And then you have 5 power x. This one also you have 5 power x. Original is negative power. And then you just bring to your denominator parts. So just let's say you let u is equal to 5x. So every 5x here will become u. So u plus 5 over u equal to 6. And then just eliminate the denominator. So just multiply everything with u. So you have u squared plus 5 equal to 6u. Bring 6u to the other side. So you have quadratic. That's why you have the quadratic. This one quadratic and then solve. So how to solve this quadratic? Factor u minus 1, u minus 5. And then you have u is 1 and u is equal to 5. And then don't forget to substitute back. Your u just now is 5 power of x. So 5 power of x is equal to 1. And then your x is what? How to find x? You can add log both sides. Where you have log 5 power of x equal to log 1. So x is log 1 over by log 5, which is 0. Or you can directly change into the log form, which is from 5 power of x equal to 1. In the log form, x is actually equal to log with the base of 5, 1. So log with any base, 1 is always 0. Okay? So either one. Whether you want to change in the log form straight away or you want to add log both sides. The answer is the same. Second part, 5 power of x equal to 5. If you add log both sides, you will have log 5 power x equal to log 5. So x bring to the front, log 5 over log 5, which is 1. Or another method, from this you can change straight away into the log form. So x is equal to log base 5, 5. So you know that if you have this form, your answer is equivalent to 1. Okay. Another example of quadratic, that the third case or the third pattern. Let's say you have this one, 3 times 3 power of x plus 9 times 3 power of negative x equal to 28. So just let's say you let u as 3 power of x. So you have 3u plus 9 over u equal to 28. So to simplify this one, you can multiply everything with u. So you have this quadratic. And then bring to the other side 28u. You have 3u squared minus 28u plus 9 equal to 0. And then factor out, just use your calculator. So you have 2u minus 9 and 3u minus 1. And then solve for the first part. U is equal to 9. The second part is u is equal to 1 over 3. And then substitute back. 3 power of x is equivalent to 9. So 9 here you can write also in the form of 3 squared. So just compare the power. You have the same base here. So x is equivalent to 2. Same goes to the second part. 1/3 you can write in the form of 3 power of -1. So since you have the same base, left side and right side, you can just compare the power. So x is equal to -1. Okay, that's all for the solving of exponential equations. Thank you.